Get excited about the 2022 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. Top features include front bucket seats, delay-off headlights, voice-activated navigation, a rear step bumper, rain-sensing wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.